Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. So in this video today we are going to learn about how we can convert scanned PDF file to the editable text in Word. So you can copy the text from scanned PDF file or image and paste on the Word documents and it will be editable. So I will show you how you can do this. So let's start the video, and at the end if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so this would be very simple process, and this is a new method you can follow. Okay, so just open your folder where you have that scanned PDF documents or image, and right click on it. If you have PDF, then just right click on it and open with open with browser. I'm using Chrome browser. You can open with the Chrome browser. Just select that Chrome browser. Okay, after you click Chrome browser, this file will be open like this. Now we have this PDF file open in Chrome browser. Okay, this is scanned document, you can see. Okay, so now what we can do, just right click on that file, and here you can see the option called search. This tab with the Google Lens, just select that. Now you need to select that area like this. Just click your mouse button, hold it, drag the area and select that text on that PDF file. And here you can see this option will come up, copy the text. Now you can just copy the text. Okay, so now we have copy the text. Now go to the Word file. Okay, here come to the Word file and paste this. Okay, just hit the Ctrl+V. Okay, and you can see this letter has been insert. Okay, you can check that all if you have any spelling mistake and all. Okay, now you can see the text has been inserted in Word, and it is now editable and you can make changes on text. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.